Cynful steak marsala. We're going to start off by patting the steaks dry with a paper towel and then seasoning them with salt. We're going to let that sit for about an hour to let that just kind of age a little bit. And we're going to discuss a little something called mise en place. Mise en place is a fancy French term for mess in place. That means get everything cut up and put in something and at your fingertips before you start cooking. So this is a very definite term. So we're add butter to the pan, and we have that on medium-high. Let it melt, and then we're going to add the steaks. We're only going to cook these for about a minute to a minute and a half on one side, then flip them over and do about 30 seconds on the other side. They'll cook really fast. You're going to get a little bit of a crust on them just like that. So I like to pull the steaks out and add the shallots and let them get started first, so they're not sitting on top, they're actually sitting on the bottom, and then I'll add the steaks right back in and let those steaks pick up a little bit of that shallot flavor. We're only going to do it for about 30 seconds. The steaks are basically done at this point. Once that's done, we're going to pull those steaks off. We're going to put a plate over the top of them just to kind of keep them warm. They're not going back on the heat after this. Add your mushrooms, and we're going to stir those around. I try to get them even on the bottom. Let them just kind of cook. They're going to release their juices and get a little bit brown and soft. Once that happens, here we're fixing to get into the money shot. So if you're having people watch you do this, this is when you want to gather them around and get their attention. So we're going to tilt the pan towards us, and we're going to add the Marsala. And this is a very nice little dry wine. And then we tilt it away, and we're going to set it on fire. We're burning the alcohol off. So this is a very money shot. This is what you want people to see you do. We're going to add the cream and Dijon mustard and Worcestershire sauce mixture that we made earlier. Stir that in, and go ahead and add that last little bit of butter. We're going to stir that and cook it until we can make tracks in the sauce, just like that. Then it'll be done. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the steak on the plate, serve the sauce over the top, and then garnish with a little bit of minced parsley. So it's a very pretty, very romantic dinner. Great little showstopper for if you have guests over. I do have a link to a printable PDF file in the description, but I'm going to go ahead and give you this recipe anyway. I would like to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today, where we had a little fun with fire. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.